How to view someone's TikTok video without them knowing. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device, and then what you need to do is just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines over here at the top right corner of the screen, which is a hamburger icon, and then tap on settings and privacy. Over here under the account segment over here, you just have a tap on privacy, and as you tap on privacy, scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of post views. So tap on it, and as you tap on post views, so it's toggled on right now, which allows people that you follow to see what that you have viewed the post and see which followers viewed yours. So just make sure to toggle off this option, and as you toggle off this option, this will disable people to see that you viewed the post and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.